And it's time once again for one of my favorite parts, Sounds of the Strip.
Teams and you know, just real happy to get by Doug. You know, we got the MAC folks, quite a few of them here today, and hate to get beat 2 weeks in a row with against those guys. We're on, so
I feel the same way, man. It's every night's actually good anyway.
I've been drinking milk and stuff. Thank you. It helps me. A bunch of milk at night. Of course, that's carbs. That's the worst thing to do. Come on here. Like blow around the off a little bit.
Bob Vandergriff was steadily pulling away from Larry Dixon. Then you saw the belt go. Larry Dixon runs a 472, 311 miles an hour against Bob Vandergriff, who really thought he had that one in the bag.
Oh, I thought he had it in the bag, too. We were on board with Larry. It looked like he had to pedal the race car. Did a good job there, and then lo and behold, the belt comes off of Bob's, and Larry was able to drive around. Watch the right side of your screen. Take a look at it. Tire shake, quick pedal. Great job by Larry at that point to save that run. It was definitely going up in the tire smoke. At this point, Larry's thinking, it's over right now. And boom, there goes the belt. And Larry goes, hey, thank you. I'll take it.
Take a win light any way you can get it.
Take a look at the Lucas Oil photo finish as Larry Dixon's driving around him about a half a car length at the stripe.